Do you feel the vibes?
Hey everyone, so our today's agenda is we will create this figure with the use of SolidWorks 2021. So first is we will make the base. So making the base is we will just select the top plane, then we will just top view it, then sketch, select center rectangle. From the origin, we will make a quadrilateral. Then next is to identify or specify the dimension. Just click Smart Dimension. Here the dimension is 3.75. So we will just type 3.75. And then the next one is 3. So we have our base. Next is we will create we will just fillet the edges of this quadrilateral or the rectangle. Next is we will just click this one, sketch fillet. Then change the fillet parameters into 0.50. We'll change it into 0.50 or 0.5. Then just click this one to this one. And then just check it. So we have our first base. So next is we will create a circle inside quadrilateral or in the inside of the rectangle. So just click circle, center to. We'll just create the first circles. Then next is we will just select all the circles, then check this equal. So to identify this photo, to specify the dimension, just click one circle and specify the dimension of this circle is 0.38. So we have our base figure. Then next is just select features and extruded boss or base, and we will just change our extruded into 0.38. So just 0.38 inches and just click this OK. So we have our base. So next is we will just select our front, then front plane, then we will just create a corner rectangle in this area. So we will just click this one and then specify the dimension. Okay, identify the dimension is just click Smart Dimension, and this one is 0.06. And then from this point to this point, our dimension is 1.13. And then the other side, on the other side, we have also 1.13. 1.13. So as we can see, this one to cut the excess part. So we will just select features, then extrude cut, select this one, and then we will change it into 3, and then just select OK. So where the excess part is being deleted. So next is we'll change our view point into right, then just select this one, right plane, then sketch. So we'll sketch a line from here upward then diagonal. So the dimension of this one, so we'll select smart dimension. It is 2.66, and then the other one is 2.38. And then we will just specify R or the angle for this diagonal line. So we will just select smart dimension again, click this line, and then this midpoint or endpoint, then select right, to the right, then we will change it into 30 degree. So there we have it. So next is we will just create a plane. We could hide all this dimension first. So we will just create another plane. So features, right plane. So we'll just select plane, then select the our line first, and then this face. So just check it. So we have our plane. So we'll just change it into top view. So next is we'll just create a rectangle from this line. So first is we'll just select this line, then invert entities, then just sketch. We will create a rectangle on the upper or in this line. So first is check center rectangle from the center of this line, and then in the end point of the line. The next one is we will identify the dimension of or the width of this rectangle. So it has a width of 1.88. So we'll just write 1.88. Then select this point, this endpoint, and this endpoint. Then check coincident. So we have our face. Then next is we could just delete this dimension for us to. Then next is we will fillet the edges. So with a 0.31 inches parameters, we'll just fillet it. Fillet. 0.31. and just check OK. Then next is we will create a circle inside again of the quadrilateral or inside of the rectangle. So we'll just create 4 circles. And then again, you could just select all the circle and then choose equal. Then next is to identify the dimension. Just click one circle and specify the dimension, which is 0.31 for each side. 0.31. So we could just fix all these blue lines to become fully defined. So next is just delete it. Next is we will just extrude. We'll just extrude this figure. So just select extrude boss or base here, other direction, and then with a parameter of 0.51, and we'll just enter and click OK. So we have our upper figure. So next is we will just hide first our sketch. We'll just hide it first, and then the plane. So next is we will create this figure. So by creating that one, so first is we will just again select the upper or the top view. Then next is just click this face, then sketch from corner rectangle from here to the other side, and from here to the upper side. And then we will just select this side and this side, and we will check equal. Then next is from this midpoint, the midpoint of the origin, we will just check vertical or add relations vertical, and then from this one or from this and then to this, we'll just add relations horizontal. Then next is identify the dimensions. So dimension of this one is, you will see that the dimension is we'll just continue this one. So first is specify the dimension of the width of this horizontal line. So it is 0.31. The next is we'll just extruded bolts or base, this one, and then select up to surface. Then we'll just click this one. So we have we're almost done in our figure. So next is we'll just create this slant or edge. So next is we'll just click this one, then command a line, Then create a a triangle rather, and this face. Then next is in the other side. We'll just select it, then click this one, then just create again a triangle, and then next is we will just select shredded cut. Next is we will just create this figure. So by creating this one is first we will make a line from the endpoint of we will make a line from the midpoint of this line. So we'll make this one, then click smart dimension with a dimension of 1.88. And then next is again we will create a line from parallel to this endpoint. So we'll just create a line, and it has a dimension of 0.50. Then next is we will create a circle. We'll create a circle from this endpoint up to this line, and then we'll just create another circle. Then we could delete this line, and then this also, and then we will just adjust our circle. So to adjust it, just click smart dimension from the midpoint of this, and in the origin we have a 0.50. Then next is we will just create a dimension of this circle. So this circle is 0.75, and the other one is 0.50. So we have this one. So we will change it in offset of 0.59 inches. Then select in the other direction and select this parameter to 1.38 inches. So we have it, our figure. Thank you for watching.